Alright, now I know y'all watching G-Dog 803, but make sure y'all go to InAndOutCustoms.com to get your hats, hoodies, all your merch, stickers, anything In and Out Customs, go to InAndOutCustoms.com and make sure you get that. Keep watching G-Dog 803. He always do this right.
You are watching a master at work.
Hey, this thing's crazy.
All those pipes will be levitating. We got a power steering and a brake booster work out of the pump right there. So when you turn the switch on, rack and pinion, we work together without get the engine running. If it works, I don't know.
Yeah.
We build.
Where y'all shop is that on? How long it took to get this one?
It took 11 months to do all the sheet metal and the body work and paint. And he had to decide what motor he wanted. So it took about 6 months to decide what motor he wanted. And after he gave me a motor, it took about 6 months, 5 months to complete the wiring, build the manifolds and everything. So you put a power to, you already know that it's too high and it hit the hood, so we decided not to put the big rocks.
What kind of ran and stuff on there?
Still a Chevrolet 370 possible. Racing Max.
What kind of transmission you got?
4L80. 3,000 stock.
What computer system control?
Yeah, we got